So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video I'll be unboxing the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 Core, the gaming headphone that is specially built for the PlayStation, but you can either use it with desktop or even with the smartphones. So let's see what all things do we get in the box and what's the unboxing experience. So this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech. Let's open the box. This is the box that you will receive if you are ordering this product from Amazon. It looks pretty damaged, but let's snap it and quickly get the box out. So this is the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 Core Gaming Headphone. On the front side, as you can see, they have the details. On the bottom again, some more details. On the side, we can see the pricing and the address and all the things. But I haven't bought this for price. I'll just leave the link in the description. You can click on that and you can check what the actual price is now at the time. On the back side, we have some more images presenting the features it has in different languages. So instead of looking at all this, let's just quickly open up and get this product out. Okay, so at the top we see some paperwork. Let's get this out first and we'll keep it aside. We'll look at the things once we have removed all the things out from this box. Okay, that's it. So this all things we are having in the box. Let's just keep this box aside and we'll move on to one things and check what are all the components that we get with this. So first thing is this paperwork. So this is the user manual, which represents how exactly you can connect with the controller, because as I said, this is specifically made for PS. Now I'm showing this so that if you lose your user manual, you can just take the screenshot from here and you can make the settings accordingly. Then this is the product info again on the paper. For the warranty, you do not get any warranty card, but as always, you can just download the invoice online if you have taken this product online, and then you can get the warranty done. We'll keep this aside and let's move on to the actual device that we have, the headphone. Now getting this thing out was little bit different than what a premium product unboxing should look like. So after all this effort, we are finally able to get this device out. With this, you also get a windshield so that you can remove the noisy things that will or might go inside your mic while gaming. Let's keep this aside and let's talk about our headphone. Now, first thing, it feels pretty lightweight. On the top, you have the HyperX branding. On the side again we have the HyperX logo. Here you can extend this headphone easily. And on the other side you have the mic. If you don't want to use it, you can just put it up. The cushions over here are pretty good and it is not the leather cushion, so this will long last than the leather cushions. Here we have some space also, it might be for the air to enter in. And on the bottom we have the sound knob, so you can easily increase or decrease the sound according to your preference. And here the cable is pretty good. It comes with 3.5mm jack, so you can easily connect with your PlayStation controller, or you can even plug it into your phone. So that's it. This was all about it. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tech videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end. See you guys in the next video.